good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you will know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Makeup Monday video, I will be showing you guys how I achieve a 5-minute makeup glam. If you are interested, continue watching. And just like that, guys, my makeup is done in 5 minutes. Now, personally for me, I would never wear this makeup look out, simply because I am a strong believer in, if you're going to wear makeup, just wear the freaking makeup. Because what's the point of putting makeup on just to look normal, like you did nothing? Not saying that you should hate your skin or whatever. I love my skin. I'm just speaking as it regards to wearing makeup. Now, if you're going to wear makeup, just wear makeup. Like, don't wear makeup just to do your brows and to add some lashes. Well, let me take that back, because I've seen some females just do that and it looks good on them. But for me personally, I have like a bad skin discoloration, so my dark circles are super dark, then my cheeks are light, then like under here is like super dark. It's just weird, and I just feel like I pop more when my foundation is on like full coverage. I also love lashes and I love highlight, so I feel like if I'm going to wear makeup, I have to include lashes and I have to include highlighter. I am not much of a contour and highlight type of person or eyeshadow type of person, but I try those when I feel like. In general, I'm just saying, if you're going to wear makeup, just put some makeup on, because right now I can, maybe it's because I know what my skin looks like, or maybe it's because I'm used to my skin, I can still see my dark circles popping out. So no, but I feel like it's okay. I did a pretty good job, I think. And like I said, that is just my opinion. I don't want anyone to feel offended or anything like that. Love your skin and love the makeup that you love. I love my skin and I love the makeup that I love. That is it from me in today's video, guys. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. Until next time, walk good, love you guys, peace.